Today in this class, we are going to discuss about divisibility theorem application. Divisibility theorem application. Extremely important topic, and good number of previous year questions came from these divisibility theorem application. But before we discuss the application of divisibility theorem, let us first discuss what is a divisibility theorem. What is a divisibility theorem, right? What is a dividend, what is a divisor, what is quotient, what is remainder, what is the relationship between them, right? All the representations we will see. Suppose 13 is divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Remainder is nothing but 3. This is nothing but remainder. What is left over? It is called remainder, right? The number which is dividing the given number, this is called the divisor. This is called the divisor. How many times a divisor divides that given number? That is called the quotient. That is called the quotient. The number which is getting divided by, that is called the dividend. That is called the dividend. What is a dividend? Dividend is the number which is getting divided by, right? Which is dividing the existing number is called divisor. How many times a divisor divides the given number? That is called quotient. What is left over is called as remainder. Now if you observe, 13 is nothing but 5 into 2 plus 3. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is nothing but 13. Now, if most important concept, dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient plus remainder. Very, very important concept. Dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient plus remainder. Another point, if the same thing can also be written as 13 when divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. What is the remainder? Remainder is nothing but 3. So, if the question is of the form n by x equivalent to p, n by x equivalent to p, n is called the dividend, n is called the dividend, x is called the divisor, x is called the divisor. What is left over? It is called the remainder. What is left over? It is called the remainder. I hope it is clear. When you are writing like this, you are hiding the quotient value. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Another beautiful observation, when you divide a number by 5, you will get all the remainders from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot get greater than 5, because if you get 6, 6 when divided by 5 is remainder 1. 7 when divided by 5 is remainder 2. That means always remember this p value. What is p value? P is nothing but the remainder value. Remainder value. Remainder value always lies from 0 to x minus 1. Are you all with me? When you divide a number by 7, you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you divide a number by 3, you will get the remainder 0, 1, 2, 3. If you divide a number by x, you will get the remainders from 0 to x minus 1. That means important observation. P is always less than x. P is always less than x, or in other words, remainder is always less than divisor. Please make a note of it. Remainder is always less than divisor. It cannot be equivalent to also. When you divide a number by 5, if you get remainder 5, 5 and divided by 5, what is the remainder? 0. If you got 7, what is the remainder? 2. Very, very important slide which talks about the introduction of divisibility theorem. In divisibility theorem, 4 important key points we need to see. What do you mean by dividend? What do you mean by divisor? What do you mean by quotient? What do you mean by remainder? What is the relationship between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder? Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is always less than divisor. I hope it is clear. Probably next minimum 60 minutes of time we will concentrate on applying this divisibility theorem. Now let us start with some warm up questions. First problem, right? There is an expression given 3 power 25 plus 3 power 26 plus 3 power 27 plus 3 power 28. It is divisible by 3 power 25. If I take common, these 1 plus 3 power 1, next is 3 square and next is 3 cube. These nothing but 3 power 25, 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is nothing but 27. So these 3 power 25, these nothing but 40, these nothing but 3 into 3 power 24 into 4 into 10. What is the factor among these number? What is 3 into 10? 3 into 10 is nothing but 30. First one answer is nothing but 30. Easy question, a warm up question. Take the lowest power of 3 power 25 common. If I take 3 power 25 common, 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27, 20, 36, 39, 40. 40 is written as 4 into 10. 3 into 10 is nothing but 30. I hope the idea it is clear. Next question. 3 power 9 plus 3 power 12 plus 3 power 15 plus 3 power n. These nothing but a perfect cube. These nothing but a perfect cube. If I take 3 power 9 common, these nothing but 3 power 0. These nothing but 3 cube. These nothing but 3 power 6. And it is nothing but 3 power n minus 9. These nothing but a perfect cube. These nothing but a perfect cube. 3 power 9. These nothing but 3 cube whole cube. That means this expression is a perfect cube. This expression is a perfect cube. This expression is a perfect cube. Let me take option A. Option A, if I take 11, this value will become 3 cube plus 3 power 0 plus 3 power 6 plus 3 square plus 3 square. Check it out if it is a perfect cube. Check it out if it is a perfect cube. If the value is coming out to be a perfect cube. If it is not coming, then put option number B, which is 16. This will become 3 power 0 plus 3 cube plus 3 power 6 plus 16 minus 9 is nothing but 3 power 7. 3 power 7. I hope it is clear, right? Check it out with the is a perfect cube. The value which makes the option a perfect cube, that itself is the answer. I hope the logic is crystal clear to you. I hope the logic is crystal clear to you. Substitute the value of n such that this expression is a perfect cube. I hope it is clear, right? Idea is clear. Just substitute the values. I'll just give an idea. 3 power 0 is nothing but 1. 3 cube is nothing but 27. 3 power 6 is nothing but 729. 3 square is nothing but 9. So these nothing but 28, 28, 37, 729 plus 37, 766. It is not a perfect cube. Similarly, find out this value. Similarly, find out this value. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea is clear. Second question, third one. Now see here, right? When a number is divided by a divisor, x is divided by a divisor, it is seen that the divisor is 4 times the quotient. What is the concept that we discussed? Dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus a remainder. This is the divisibility theorem. Now, here onwards, all the problems are based on divisibility theorem. Dividend is nothing but a divisor into quotient plus a remainder. Now, one by one, we will go with the logic. Right? Now, remainder is 80. Remainder is 80. Remainder is 80. What is the next one? 4 times the quotient. 4 times the quotient is 2 times the remainder. So 4 times the quotient is nothing but 2 times 80. So quotient is nothing but 40. So these is nothing but 40 plus. If I know the divisor, I will get the answer. Divisor is nothing but 4 times the quotient. So it is nothing but 160. So dividend will become, which is nothing but the x value which is given. This is nothing but 6400 plus 80. Answer is nothing but 6480. Answer is nothing but 6480. If you find it little complication in multiplication, you can use the digital sum. These two numbers are multiples of 10, so the process is easy. If it is not a multiple of 10, use a digital sum. 16 digital sum is 7. 40 digital sum is 4. 80 digital sum is 8. 7 4s are 28, which is 1. 1 plus 8 is nothing but 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Anyway, the right answer digital sum should be 9. 10 plus 8, 18. These are not possible. These 8460. Last two digits is 80. It is not possible. Right? 160 into 40. Definitely it is greater than 4000. So option is 6480. I hope the idea is clear. Simple application of divisibility theorem. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Next one. What is that in a division sum? Divisor is 4 times the quotient and twice the remainder. Let me write dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. One by one we will see. First statement, divisor is 4 times the quotient. Divisor is 4 times the quotient. Okay, clear? And divisor is twice the remainder. Divisor is twice the remainder. If A and B are respectively the divisor and the dividend, so B is nothing but the dividend. A is nothing but the divisor. Right? This is nothing but the quotient. And this is nothing but the remainder. One by one, just substitute. Easy question. Quotient is nothing but divisor by 4. Quotient is nothing but divisor by 4, which is nothing but A by 4. Right? Remainder is nothing but divisor by 2. This is nothing but A by 2. So B is nothing but A into A by 4 plus A by 2. A by 2. These is nothing but, now see here, if I calculate it, right, these is nothing but A square by 4 plus A by 2. A square by 4 plus A by 2, which is nothing but 4. These is nothing but A square plus 2A. So A into A plus 2 by 4. A into A plus 2 divided by 4, which is nothing but B, which is nothing but option number 2. Nothing I did, I used the divisibility theorem, which states that dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder, dividend is given as B, divisor is given as A. I converted the expression into A and B. I hope this question is clear. Next one. Next question. Next one. There are two positive numbers. Which differ by 2001. A minus B. A and B, let it be two numbers. They differ by 2001. A and B, that means A minus B is greater than 0. That means A is greater than B. A is greater than B. When a large number is divided by the smaller number, that means A is divided by B. A is divided by B. Quotient is 9 and the remainder is 41. Remainder is 41. That means A is nothing but 9B plus 41. A is nothing but 9B plus 41. What is the sum of the digits of the larger number? Larger number is nothing but A. Larger number is nothing but A. So sum of 9B plus 41. 9B plus 41. Any number multiplied by 9, digital sum will be 9. Write 9 into anything. 41 digital sum is 5. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 plus 4, 5. Answer digital sum should be 5. Answer digital sum should be 5. So option is nothing but D. Just an easy question. A is nothing but 9B plus 41. 9B digital sum is 9. 41 digital sum is 5. A is the largest number. So the digital sum will be 5. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Sum of the digits of the larger number. A is nothing but 9B. You don't need to substitute and find the values because there is 9 here. 9 into any number, digital sum is 9. Idea clear? Next one. Next question. Read the question. Write on dividing a certain number by 342. There is a number. This number is getting divided by 342. We do not know the quotient, but we know that according to the question, the remainder is 47. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 342q plus 47. What is the remainder when it is divided by 18? This is nothing but remainder of 342q plus 47 divided by 18. Check it out whether 342 is divisible by 18. 18 is 2 into 9. 2 means unit digit should be even. Yes. 9 means sum of the digit should be 9. Yes. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. It is out. 18 2s are 36. What is the remainder? 11. Answer for this question is nothing but 11. I hope the idea it is clear. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. A number when divided by 899, the quotient is k and the remainder is 63. So these is nothing but dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the remainder when this number is divided by 899k plus 63? It is divided by 29. It is divided by 29. 29 3s are 87, 29. 29 1s are 29. So 63 when divided by 29. 29 2s are 58. Answer is nothing but 5. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. A number when divided by, there is a number n. It is divided by 1003 and the remainder is nothing but 209. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient 1003 into q plus 209. This is the number and this number is divided by 59. 1003q plus 209 divided by 59. Please check it out whether 1003 is divisible by 59. 59 1s are 59. Next it is 413. 413 is nothing but 59 1s are 59, right? Which is remaining is nothing but 413. 59 goes how many times? 59 7s are 9 7s are 63. 413. It is completely out. 209 is divided by 59. This is nothing but 59 3s are 177, which is nothing but 32 is the remainder. 32 is the remainder. This is the most repeated type of questions in divisibility theorem, sir. Now Next one, if 5 divides the integer n, there is an integer, it seems n, 5 will divide this n and the remainder is nothing but 2. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder, 5a plus 2. Any value of n is of the form 5a plus 2. Any value of n is of the form 5a plus 2. Substitute a value 1. N minimum value will be 7. Question is, what is the remainder when 7n is divided by 5? 7 sevens are 49. 49 when divided by 5. 5 nines are 45. What is the remainder? Remainder is nothing but 4. Remainder is nothing but 4. Or what you can do is, you can substitute the generic form. What is the remainder when 7n is divided by 5? This is nothing but a remainder of 7 into 5a plus 2 when divided by 5. 35a when divided by 5, remainder 0. 14 when divided by 5, 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. What is that? 14, 9. 5 ones are 5. Remainder is nothing but 4. I hope the idea is clear. Remainder is always less than divisor. 14 divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. Remainder is nothing but 4. I hope it is clear. Next one. First read the question, you will get the idea. The remainder on dividing given integers a and b, there is an integer a, right? It is the remainder on dividing given integers a and b by 8. A is divided by 8, right? Remainder is 5. So a is nothing but 8x1 plus 5. x1 is the quotient. Similarly, there is another integer b. B when divided by 8, remainder is nothing but 7. So b is nothing but 8x2 plus 7. You can substitute any value. Let me substitute x1 1. A will become 13. x2 1. B will become 15. B will be of the form 8x2 plus 7. 15 is of the form 8 into 1 plus 7. This is 8 into 1 plus 5. Find the remainder when a into b is divided by 8. A into b is divided by 8. This is nothing but 13 into 15 when divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. Remainder is nothing but 5. 8 twos are 16, which is minus 1, which is minus 5. Negative remainder minus 5. Positive remainder 3. Positive remainder 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Or you can substitute the generic form, but that will be a time waster for you, right? Or probably worst case what you can do is, right, put x1 0, x2 0. I got 5 and 7. 5 sevens are 32. 35, sorry, 5 sevens are 35. 35 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. Remainder 3. But x1 and x2, ideally you cannot take 0. Why? Because if the quotient is 0, division is not happening. But in the question it is said that division is happening. So ideally, mathematically, x1 and x2 cannot be 0. Quotient cannot be 0. Next one. A number is divided by 129. Remainder is nothing but 27. Remainder is nothing but 27. So the form of the number is 129a plus 27. 129a plus 27. Now if you see here, suppose if I put a value 1, n value will become 129 plus 127, which is 156. If a number is divided by 129, it leaves a remainder 27. If 4 times of this number, that means 4 into 156. It is divided by 86. It is divided by 86. What will be the remainder? 86. 2s are 86, 2s are, it is nothing but 172. 172. That means it is 16 less than 172. 4 into minus 16 divided by 86. This is nothing but minus 64. If you got the negative remainder, add with the denominator. 86 minus 64 is nothing but 22. 86 minus 64 is nothing but 22. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, a number is divided by 21. It leaves a remainder 13. There is a number n, when it is divided by 21, it leaves a remainder 13. A number is nothing but 21a plus 13. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let a value be 1. N is nothing but 34. N is nothing but 34. Now see, if the thrice of square of this number, thrice of square of this number, 34 square, is divided by the same divisor, so therefore it is 21. Find the remainder. This is nothing but 3 into 34 square divided by 21. 21 ones are 21. 13 square is 169. 3 into 169 divided by 28. 21 8s are 168. Remainder 1. 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Nothing I did. I just converted this English statement to an mathematical expression. Number when divided by 21, remainder 13. Number is 21a plus 13. A value 1. N is 34. Thrice the square of the number. 3 into 34 square divided by 21. 3 into 169 divided by 21. 21 8s are 168. Remainder 1. 1 3s are 3. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. When a positive integer is divided by d, read the question. There is a positive integer. Let me call it as n. That number is getting divided by d. And the remainder is 15. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right? So dx plus 15. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. When 10 times of the same number, 10 times of the same number is 10n, is divided by d. So this is nothing but remainder of wherever n is there, call it as dx plus 15, and it is divided by d, which is nothing but 6. Dx is divided by d. Remaining is 10, 20, 15 tens are 150. 150 divided by d, it is nothing but 6. 150 divided by which number will give remainder 6? D maximum is nothing but 144. 150 divided by 144. 144 ones are 144. What is the remainder? 144. D max is 144. Next one. When 7 is divided by a positive integer n. 7 is divided by a positive integer n. The remainder is nothing but 2. 7 divided by what is the largest number that will give remainder 2, that is nothing but 5. 7 divided by 5, it is nothing but 5. 7 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5. Positive remainder is nothing but 5. Right? Because it is the smallest, obviously the only value that is possible is nothing but 5. Which of the following gives a remainder of 0 when divided by 7? Which of the following? N plus 2. 5 plus 2, it is nothing but 7. 7 divided by 7, it gives a remainder 0. Option number A. Idea is clear? Right. When two numbers, there are two numbers, they are separately divided by 33, they leave reminders 21 and 28 respectively. There are two numbers. Let me call one number as n1. It is divided by 33. It gives a remainder 21. There is another number n2. It is divided by 33. it gives a remainder 28. There are two numbers n1 and n2. One when divided by 33 gives a remainder 21. Another when divided by 33 gives a remainder 28. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 33a plus 21, 33b plus 28. Now, what is the question that he is asking? Please read the question once. If the sum of these two numbers is divided by 33, sum of these numbers n1 plus n2, it is divided by 33. So, these is nothing but a remainder of 33 into a plus b plus 49 divided by 33. These perfectly divisible. 49 divided by 33. 33 ones are 33. What is the remainder? 16. Remainder is nothing but 16. Idea is clear. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. These are all easy questions if you convert the question into a mathematical expression. There is a number n. It is divided by a divisor d. There is a number n. It is divided by a divisor d. It gives a remainder 68. It gives a remainder 68. These are nothing but divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dx plus 68. If 5n is divided by d, 5 into capital N is divided by d. These are nothing but 5 into dx plus 68 divided by d. These are nothing but 5 into 68 is nothing but 340. 340 divided by d. It gives a remainder 8. It gives a remainder 8. What is the largest value? Largest value is the difference of this value. D max is nothing but 332. 340 divided by 332. 332 ones are 332. Remainder is 8. What is the value of d? Either it will be 332 or it will be a factor of 332. Or it will be a factor of 332. So 83. 83 fours are, which is 332. Check it out for the answer option where answer is a factor of 332. 83 is a factor of 332. I hope the idea it is clear. Right? Next question. There is a number n which is divided by a divisor d. A number n is divided by a divisor d. It leaves a remainder 10. So these are nothing but n is 10x plus dx plus number is nothing but a dx plus 10. Number is nothing but a dx plus 10. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. N is nothing but dx plus 10. There is, if n square is divided by d, n square is divided by d. These are nothing but dx plus 10 whole square when divided by d. So these are nothing but d square x square divided by d. 2 into d into x divided by d. These are nothing but 10 square is 100. 100 divided by d, which is nothing but a remainder 4. Remainder 4. So what is the maximum value d can take? 100 minus 4 is 96. What are all the values d can take? Values which d can take are factors of 96. Factors of 96 is nothing but 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. I hope the idea it is clear. So n number when divided by d, it gives a remainder 10. So n is nothing but dx plus 10. N is nothing but dx plus 10. Right? Next one. N square is nothing but d. Now already we discussed d value. D value should always be greater than 10. Remainder is always less than divisor. So d is always greater than 10. I hope it is clear. So Here also it is nothing but 100 by d. 100 by d, it is nothing but 4. 100 by d, it is nothing but 4. Now if you observe carefully, what are the factors of 96? 2 power 5 into 3 power 1, which is nothing but total 12 factors we got. Total 12 factors we got. What are the factors? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 8 is a factor, 8 is a factor, 12 is a factor, and so on. D should be greater than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. These cases are not possible. D should be definitely be greater than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 12 factors, 12 factors is nothing but 6 into 2, 12. Out of 12 factors, 6 factors are not possible. So how many values D can take? Answer is nothing but 6. Answer is nothing but 6. I hope the idea is clear. Reminder, when n is divided by d, it is 10. That means remainder is always less than divisor. Divisor is greater than remainder. So d is greater than 10. 100 divided by d is 4. D maximum value is nothing but 96. Totally 12 factors I will get, out of which I should eliminate the factors which are greater than 10. Idea clear? Next one. A number when divided by a divisor, n when divided by a divisor, it gives a remainder 52. So n is nothing but dx plus 52. Dx plus 52. The same number, what is the number? 7n when divided by d. 7n when divided by d. D is nothing but 7 into dx plus 52. 7 into dx plus 52. When divided by d, it gives a remainder 4. These is nothing but d cancel. These is nothing but 364 divided by d. It is nothing but 4. So d maximum value is nothing but 360. D maximum value is nothing but 360. 360 ones are 360. What is the remainder? 4. So 360 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Total I got 24 factors, but it is very clearly visible that D should be greater than 52. Right? Remainder is less than the divisor. Divisor should be greater than 52. So we should eliminate all the factors which are less than 52 from factors of 360. 1 I will eliminate, 2 I will eliminate, 3 I will eliminate, 4 I will eliminate, 5 I will eliminate, 6 I will eliminate, 8 I will eliminate, 9 I will eliminate, 10 I will eliminate, 12 I will eliminate. Next one, right? 12 I will eliminate, 15 I will eliminate, right? Next one, if I am eliminating, right, now from here you will get all the other possibilities, sir. If 8 I am eliminating, 8 into 45 is 360, that also I can eliminate. 9 I am eliminating, 40 I should eliminate. 10 I am eliminating, 36 I should eliminate. 12 I am eliminating, 30 I should eliminate. 15 I am eliminating, 24 I should eliminate. 18 I am eliminating, 20 I should eliminate. 20 I should eliminate. I hope the idea is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8. I should get a D greater than 52. 8 means 45, 9 is 40, 10 is 36. 10 into 36 is 360. Totally how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 24 minus 18 are eliminated. What is the answer? 6. Good question, sir. What is the answer? 6. I hope it is clear how I got all the factors. If I write till 8, it is enough. 8 into 45 is 360. 45 is less than 52. So every other factor I will get its complement, where f1 into f2 is nothing but 360. Product of two factors should also give you the number. I hope the idea it is clear. Next question, please read the question. When a number is divided by a certain divisor, when a number is divided by a certain divisor, the remainder is 46. That means these nothing but n is nothing but dx plus 46. If another number means, let me call it as n2 divided by same divisor, it leaves a remainder 31. So n2 is nothing but dx2 plus 31. I hope it is clear. If both the sum of both the numbers is divided by the same divisor, so these is nothing but n1 plus n2, it is divided by d. It is divided by d. So these is nothing but remainder of d into x1 plus x2 plus 77 divided by 19. Right, divided by 19. I hope it is clear. It is divided by d, remainder is 19, divided by d. So 77 divided by d, remainder is 19. That d value is nothing but 57 minus 19, 58. Maximum value of d is nothing but 58. I hope the idea it is clear. Now here d value should be greater than 46. D value is greater than 31. So these will only become the only value. I hope it is clear. You might take the factors of 48, but the factor should be greater than 46, greater than 31. So the only value which is possible is 58. Idea is clear. Now next one. Before we solve these questions, now please see here. Write one of the factors 8 power 2k plus 5 power 2k, where k is an odd number. If it is an odd number, take any value that comes into your mind. K value, it is nothing but 1, which is nothing but 8 square plus 5 square, which is 64 plus 25, which is nothing but 89. One of the factors of this number is nothing but 89. Otherwise, please write down a note. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if k is an odd number. If k is an odd number, a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b. So from here it is nothing but 8 square power k plus 5 square power k. These is nothing but 64 power k plus 25 power k. K is an odd number, so it is always divisible by 64 plus 25, which is 89. Very, very important point. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if k is an odd number. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if k is an odd number.